vlogging?
Yeah. Let's follow ate. Whoops! How about Ad? Be careful, there might be ants. Look at the wind! So windy. Where's ate? There's ate. Can you hear it? Can you hear that? Can you whisper? It's windy. I love it.
This is our
Yeah, it's from God. It's not made by human. Look at Grandpa. He's there. Come on.
Come on!
Come on. Go after ate. Come on. Yeah, you can do it. Go. You can do it. Yeah. Baba mo lang, Daddy. Ako na kukuha. Baba mo lang. Asan na yung papaya? Let's get the papaya right there. Can you get a basin
It's so windy.
or basket?
So windy.
So windy.
Look at the heart! The heart! We forgot the heart!
We forgot about it.
Guys, look at the heart!
Hold on. I want to see this.
It's so big!
I love it. Look at that. Look at the wind. Ad, you love it? Do you like it?
So
Oh.
windy. Such a windy day.
Look at the bamboo tree. Right there.
Guys, look at this one.
Look at the bamboo tree.
Look at this one, guys.
I love it.
Guys!
It's so windy and sunny. It's so windy and sunny. Let's look at ate. What's that? What's the heart? Here's the heart. This is what you're saying, Sab?
Yeah.
Okay. There's the sun.
Oh, the sun is so...
Come on.
So windy. Whoa, look at that! It's like grass! It's too windy! Oh my God!
You face there. Face there.
It's so windy! Look, it's like grass! It's so windy!
Look at the birds.
Where?
In the sky.
Yeah. Leaves are falling. Oh look! It's gonna be autumn!
Yeah, look at the leaves
Look.
down here.
Look!
Yeah.
Look! It's so cool! Look at the clouds! Look at the clouds! It's so windy! The bamboo looks like grass! I want to jump in there! It's so windy! So windy!
Look at ate.
Look at I'm getting. It's so hot.
Come here, sweetie.
Why is Grandma calling us?
Oh, say bye.
Bye, guys. This is so much fun having fun with them. Look at the background. It's so much fun here.
Bye.
Visit us if you want.
Mm-hmm.
On windy days, you can visit us. Only in the Philippines.
Windy days like this.
Yeah,
But
only in the Philippines.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Let's go there.